My name's Paul Gregory and I live in Italy in a converted farmhouse with my wife Louisa and my dog Layla. I've been using the Charm Quark controller software for a number of years now. At first it was just for the home cinema, but now I use it to control a whole range of things inside the house. The heart of the CQC system is here in the kitchen, where there's the rack housing all of the equipment for the home cinema system, which is in the room behind. Up here we have two satellite receivers, then the Blu-ray player, AV controller, and at the bottom there is the computer running the CQC software, server software, and here is the touchscreen control where we can control all the functions in the house. This interface is designed using the tools provided by CQC. On the right hand side here are a series of buttons that allow me to select different music and other media in rooms in the house. So we're in the kitchen, so I press the kitchen button, and now I can select an internet radio station. It will connect to the internet and then begin playing.
Midweek. Hello, today music and shapes on the radio. Music is easy enough to convey. We're going to have the great Buddy Grip.
But not just internet radio, I can also select any one of my music albums on the music server. And there we are, Mr. Tambourine Man. But it's not just about music. Here I've integrated an internet weather feed into the system, so I can now get a 5-day weather forecast together with a radar map of the area. But the biggest benefit, I think, of connecting the CQC system to the house electrics, so that I can control all the lights and power sockets in the house. So this gives me a map of each individual room, and I can turn the lights on and off just by controlling the buttons here. Energy is very expensive in Italy, particularly as it's charged according to the amount you use. So the more you use, the more expensive it becomes. Here I've integrated a power meter into the CQC system, so that whenever we reach the particular threshold where the price would go up, we can turn off some equipment like the pool pump. CQC isn't just useful inside the house. It controls the pool pump, turning it on and off at set times during the day, and will display an alarm if we run out of chemicals. It will turn on the drip irrigators in the garden, control the lawn sprinklers, and in the evening it turns on the outside lights at dusk and raises the security bollards. Well, this is where I started with CQC in the cinema. Only now I'm using an Apple iPad to control everything. One press and the cinema starts. So first we lower the blinds and the screen. Then start the projector, select the Blu-ray player, and finally start the film. Before CQC, it would have taken this many remotes to do anything in the cinema. So there you are. I hope this has been interesting, seeing what someone has done with the Charm Quark controller software. You might try it yourself one day.